If you love to eat egg roll and you don't know how to make it, come closer. This video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to the video. Share this video and save it somewhere because you will need it soon. So crack 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk it. Whisk it properly. Make sure it's properly whisked.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia.
Going with your melted butter and keep on whisking it. And add powdered sugar. Yeah, I added powdered sugar and I added a little bit of water and keep whisking it. Make sure to whisk it nice properly until everything is smooth. Then go in with 2 cups of flour and continue to mix.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
Mix properly until you achieve a soft and a consistent mixture, just like you see in the video.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
Continue to add flour until the consistency is thick.
Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia.
So get flour sprinkled on your table or on your chopping board where you'll be kneading the dough. Make sure to knead this dough properly until it's well kneaded and it's no longer sticking to your hand. Just like I'm kneading it right now on the table.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
So get your rolling stick and begin to roll the dough. First of all, you have to pat this dough or separate it into parts. And pick one of those parts and use it. Roll it because that's one you're going to be using for the egg roll.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
Flatten the dough properly. Make sure it's well rounded.
My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe.
Put your egg in the middle of the dough and begin to wrap the flour around the egg, just like I'm doing right now.
Delicious and healthy.
Wrap the flour around the egg and take the excessive flour, take it out. And begin to roll the dough. Make sure to roll it properly and make sure the flour cover the entire egg. And set it aside.
Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy.
It's a repeated process. Do the same thing. If you're doing 4 or 5 eggs or egg roll, it's the same process. You get another flour that you already partitioned, take another flour, flatten it, then put your egg in the middle of the flour, then wrap the flour around the egg.
The lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana. delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana.
Take out the excessive flour, take it out and wrap the other flours around the dough. Make sure it's properly wrapped around the dough, as you could see me do in the video. Wrap it properly around the dough so that when you start frying it, it's not going to open up. Make sure it's well wrapped.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
Make sure to wrap the egg properly with the flour, or with the mixed flour, or with the dough.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy
So keep repeating the same process. It's a repeated process.
the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
So I'm rolling it on the flour so it doesn't stick together.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
All right, so right now we are frying it, showing where the dough is being fried. All the mix, the wrapped egg, yeah, apparently I'm frying it in the oil. Make sure the oil is not too hot. This is low to medium, or medium to low oil heat, so it can be properly fried and it doesn't get burnt while it's frying, and the flowers will be well fried.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the
So guys, if you've watched up until this moment, do well to subscribe to this channel, save this video for next time, share the video, and give this video a thumbs up, comment love this recipe, and I'll be making more of this recipe for you. So from me is bye guys, bye.